What is OpenAL? OpenAL Open Audio Library is a cross-platform audio application programming interface API. It is designed for efficient rendering of multi-channel 3-dimensional positional audio. Its API style and conventions deliberately resemble those of OpenAL. OpenAL is an environmental 3D audio library which can add realism to a game by simulating attenuation degradation of sound over distance, the Doppler effect change in frequency as a result of motion, and material densities. OpenAL aimed to originally be an open standard and open source replacement for proprietary and generally incompatible with one another 3D audio apps, such as Direct Sound and Core Audio, though in practice has largely been implemented on various platforms as a wraparound said proprietary apps or as a proprietary and vendor-specific fork. While the reference implementation later became proprietary, there are open source implementations such as OpenAL Soft available.